Welcome. Today let's take a wider perspective. One that begins not in human cities, but in forests, rivers, and meadows. Let's talk about cooperation in nature. When we think of the natural world, we often imagine competition, the survival of the fittest. But if we truly look, we discover a more tender truth: nature thrives through cooperation. Trees in a forest share nutrients through underground fungal networks. A living web that scientists call the Wood Wide Web. Older trees support the young. Life takes care of life. In the ocean, cleaner fish nourish themselves while healing others. Birds of different species call out warnings together. Bees, flowers, wolves, whales. All are part of reciprocal relationships that shape ecosystems. As the naturalist Robin Wall Kimmerer writes, all flourishing is mutual. Nothing exists in isolation. Life is a weaving. And we humans, we can be part of that weave. Not just as caretakers, but as collaborators. One shining example: the Vaquita CPR project in the northern Gulf of California. This effort to save the critically endangered vaquita porpoise, led by international teams including the Sea Shepherd Conservation Society and Mexican authorities, combines science, community engagement, and protective patrolling of marine zones. It's a race against time, and a powerful act of love across species. A testament to what happens when humans join the circle. As Carl Safina said, in the end, we will conserve only what we love. We will love only what we understand. So let us learn from the trees and the oceans. Let us cooperate, not only to survive, but to revive. Together. If this touched something in you, feel free to share. Let's keep weaving the golden thread of connection, across all species.